Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Love Bree, and today is my last video I'm recording today because I am trying to get 4 videos done today so I can have them out while I'm gone. And so yeah, let's just hope I can get them edited and scheduled to go out. But I just wanted to share with you guys before I get started, if you guys have not seen any videos from my 14 days of Valentine, if this is your first video seeing from my series on my channel, these are some of the projects that I have recently created. So I made this big apron gift box, a gift card holder, some cards. I made 2 sets of cards, and these are 2 different videos, and all of these videos are process videos. So if you like to watch process videos, these are some videos you can watch. And I've also made some tags, and if you guys have already seen these, you can skip forward. I just want to share with everybody quickly what I am creating if you guys have not seen any of my other videos. But these are some embellishments that you can turn into tags or use on cards, have them ready. Some more tags right here. So I've done a little bit of everything. I've done some baking themed, I've done some tags, and then I've also done some bee themed, like honey themed embellishments for Valentine's. So if you guys are interested in any of these process videos, I will have the playlist linked down below for you guys so you can reference to that video. And I also put little links on the top right of the screen during the video. At any time you can click those, and I also include them at the end of the video. So I try to make them as convenient as possible, or as convenient as I can for you guys. But let's go ahead and get started. So these past maybe 2-3 days, or like 2 days, the projects haven't been as crazy. They've been a little less embellished, as you guys can see with this one. They're just showing you guys some ideas on what you can do, including this one right here. So these are just some projects that you can get done really fast if you need to have some like projects done quickly. Like if you need a gift box really quick or a gift card holder. These take a little bit of time, but at least the embellishing doesn't take as long. So today's video is going to be another one of those videos where the process is going to be quick and easy, and it's going to be for something that you just need right away if you don't have a lot of time to craft. So today I'm going to try to do a mass-produced video, and I'm only going to do 3, but technically you can do way more. You just have to get the prep work done and then just have a lineup set up and get them done quickly. So these bags are gift bags from Walmart, and it literally cost me less than $3 for a pack of 12. And they have white ones or these that have gold foiled polka dots. And of course I had to grab the ones with the gold foiling on them. I was tempted to get the white ones, but I'm trying not to buy so many things. So I was really good and I just bought this pack. So I'm going to be using those today. And then what I'm going to use to embellish the bags is the Stitched Hearts die. Once again, you're going to be seeing these constantly throughout this series. So this one, the Layered Banner die, the Valentine Wishes stamp set, and we'll be using a Lawn Fawn stamp for the to and from. So this is, again, like I said, going to be a mass-produced project, so it's going to be very simple. Not too much embellishing, not too much embellishing, but here are the 3 bags. And then what I'm going to do, let me bring them down so there's not as much glare. Okay, so I have die cut 3 of the largest heart from this Stitched Heart die set. They're going to go on here like this. And I just die cut them out of 3 different colors of cardstock. And then I die cut the banners out of 3 different colors of cardstock as well. So this is what they're gonna look like. And so literally, sorry, all I have to do is do the stamping. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these up. Oh, I don't want the glare to be too crazy. So let's put them, we'll put them right there. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna set them over there and I'm gonna stamp. So for the white, I'm going to use Cherry Kisses. And then for the pink, well actually, for the pink I'll do Cherry Kisses. Or should I do blush? No, we'll do blush. And then the white, I'll do Cherry Kisses. And then for the red, I'm actually going to use this pigment ink in Hero... I'm going to use this pigment ink in Unicorn from the Hero Arts Hero Hues. So I'll be using that. I might have to dry it because I don't want it to smear. So I might have to do that with my heat tool. But I like when it air dries, so we'll see. Alright, so let me go ahead and stamp these. So I'm going to go ahead and do what I did with my other banner. I'm going to glue this on flat and then I'm going to pop this up to this. So I'm going to do that with all three. My white one right now, it looks like it's not bright. Looks like it's blending in. But once it dries up, it'll be a little more opaque, if that makes sense. It's just going to start to brighten up a little bit. So that's how that looks. Let me go ahead and glue these down. Today's glue of choice is Barely Art, so I'll have that link down below. Okay, perfect. So now they are all put on there. And this process is probably looking a little familiar with the video from yesterday, which we had created that gift card holder. So they're pretty much the same. It's kind of the same concept, but let's go ahead and bring these in now. Okay, so what I did was I went ahead and I die cut, not the first smallest one, but the second, and I die cut those out of the same colors of cardstock. And those are going to act as closures. So I have 3 of those, and I'm going to stamp 2 and from on there so that I can use those to close up the bags. And for this, I'm just going to glue these flat onto here. And I'm actually not going to use liquid glue for this because the paper is a little bit thinner. It doesn't make it warp or anything, but because it's thinner, I don't mind using my ATG gun. Okay, look at how quick and easy these came together. Next up that I'm going to do is work on the closures. So the closures right here, I'm going to stamp to and from, and I'm going to use the same inks that I used. The white doesn't seem like it's getting brighter. Sometimes it does, but anyway, we'll just let it be. I'm going to use this, and I don't think this is available anymore. It's the Lawn Fawn Christmas Critters Say What. Yeah, I don't think it's available anymore, but you can use any to and from. And I just thought this to and from was so adorable. This little handwritten to and from. Where are you? So this to and from right here. And I'm going to stamp that onto the hearts. Okay, I think I just saw this stamp right here. It says a gift for you. So I'm actually going to stamp that at the bottom of the heart. I think that would be cute. Have a little greeting there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put that onto onto an acrylic block. And since all the hearts are the same, I just need to stamp them all. I don't have to readjust the stamps. Okay. So for this pink one, I'm just going to use red. So I'm going to use red for these both and then white for the red one. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Just right here. Perfect. Okay. I am loving how these look. So let me show you guys. How cute! This would be so cute if you make it for your kids and let your kids use these as their little Valentine's Day gift bags. Oh, they're so adorable. Okay, so let me show you guys my plan for this. I'll clean that up later. Okay, so for this, what I want to do is, I have one folded here already to show you guys. So this heart goes here. But this is going to get glued onto the top here. And then I'm going to just put some tape here for whenever I'm ready to use it. So I'm just going to take some double-sided tape. And I'm just going to cut a strip off and have it ready to peel off when I'm ready to use this. That off. Uh-oh. Don't want that. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is add glue. And I'm just going to use liquid glue because I just trust liquid glue more since it's going to be opened and closed. How cute is that? So I'm just going to add it here. Okay, you guys, so this is it. Literally, like I said, you can mass produce these. You can make them really quick and they're just super fun and easy. Look at the tag when it's ready to be folded. And this is the other one. How adorable. And you just fold it over and this is the back. So easy, you guys. I am so glad I picked up these bags. But there it is. These are my gift bags for Valentine's Day. If you guys are interested in any of the dies that I have used today, I will leave them down below. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and also leave them down below in the comment section. If you guys have not seen any of my other process videos from this series, I will leave the playlist linked in the description box for your convenience, so that way you can head to those videos and watch them if you would like. I also have a couple of my recent videos at the end of the video that you can just click on. But I hope you guys have a great weekend. By the time I post this, I hope you guys have a great Super Bowl. I believe that that is today when I post this. But I hope that you guys have a great day, a great weekend, and I will see you guys in, well, I guess more so, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!